thought this time was true. I don't believe that anybody sees this life of mine just like